guys, this storm is insane. Look at it. I was in the middle playing Warzone, and right in the middle of it, it knocked out the power, and then I had to reset everything. And then when I got back into a game, it knocked out my internet. And then I got back in, and it wouldn't even let me load. Isn't that cool? This happened just about like, I want to say exactly like a week ago. It's like last Friday, Thursday night. Same thing. Just a crazy storm that you never get to see. I mean, Minnesota gets lightning, right? But it doesn't get like this lightning. The coolest lightning I've ever seen is in a snowstorm, thunderstorm. If you've ever seen it snow in a thunderstorm, yeah, that's a Minnesota thunderstorm. This is just cool. This is like Florida. This is like Thursday in Florida at 3 p.m. It just gets black. It storms for like 15 minutes, and then it's hot and crappy. So beautiful though. How long do you think I can film for before my phone says nope? I'm not gonna let it happen. So if you haven't noticed, I'm fascinated with weather and science, electricity. It's really funny because I was playing with my friend Chris, and he lives in the same city I do, and he's like, nope, no problems, no issues, no nothing. And I can see this street light over here, that one, from my window, and it went out for half a second and then was back on. Let me see if I can see my oven from here. Yep, it's blinking. 13 minutes ago. Went out. Tesla, you want to come outside? He's a god of thunder. That's it. You want the bugs? He wants to chase the bugs. Look at this. Come here. He's not scared at this. Come here. Yes. I swear to God, if I have to chase you in this, I'm going to be furious. You know, I picked you up from a farm, and you were free. Want some food? Come here. I'm probably going to post this after midnight. Oh my God, he's running down there. Oh my God. Of course, I gotta chase you in the fucking thunderstorm. Yeah, this is the end of it. This is how it ends. Oh my God, Tesla. Yeah, that was the worst idea. that was the worst idea ever. Want some food? Come on. Come on. Want some food? Want some food? Come on. Come on. Some treats? Oh my god. This is a pain in the ass. Don't ever get a tuxedo cat. Ever, 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 ever. Unless you want troublesome kitties. I'm gonna stay out here till the storm's done, and then I'm gonna upload it. And I think I have you guys at 720. You guys might be at 1080, 60 frames per second. So I should be able to slow this down. Cue the lightning. How's my 21-day challenge going? Well, let's just say opportunity lurks where responsibility has been abdicated. If I get to 7:55 and it 7 minutes and 55 seconds and it doesn't kick me off, then 720p is probably the best for uploads. Did you know the sun burns at 20,000 degrees Kelvin? And a lightning bolt is 50,000 degrees Kelvin. So much more hotter than the sun. Surface of the sun. Here it comes. 7:55. Do I get booted? If I don't get booted at 7:55, I'm a winner. Alright, I hope you guys like 720p. Because I can do a lot longer videos. I'm switching hands. Is that better? Isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna upload this. It's like just drizzling and it's just lightning storm. Heat lightning, I think it's called. Static lightning. So cool. Well, YouTube, I am very pleased that the past 8 minutes. Truly am. I want one more good lightning strike so I can end this. Cue it. So beautiful. Come on, big one. Big one. 10 minutes. Big one. Douche. I'm so happy, you guys. Unfortunately, YouTube does not give me the opportunity to give a very good quality video. I gotta go 720. That is so fucking crappy. Alright, you guys. Come on, lightning strike. I want like a big. Oh. I'll take it. I hope you guys have a good night. I'm gonna jump back online and see if I can maybe get a game going, but evidently my internet sucks over here during the storm. So I will see you guys back tomorrow. I'm gonna try to upload this, but I doubt it will upload until tomorrow anyway. So you guys have a good evening, and I'm gonna stop this at 11:11, and you guys can make a wish. Maybe 11:12.